We've made a ton of progress so far at the Rock Village School. I'm just excited that we can see the actual building after we've cut all the foliage and the trees away. We had to strip all the old siding. We took out the old windows and we're starting to frame for new windows. This is a bright, sunny day, and I'm really excited because our mason, James, is back on site, and he's here to rebuild the chimney. Once that's done, we can start putting a brand new roof on this place. But right now, I want to walk up there and see what James is up to. So come along. Hey, how's it going?
Hey Mike, how are you?
Good, good.
Back to check up on progress?
Oh yeah. Oh, this looks great.
Yeah, moving along.
Wow. Were you able to save the old bricks or no?
We had it, once we started demoing it down, they were spalling at the back and a few of them were split. Yep. So we weren't saving more than 75%.
So the bricks are starting to blow apart.
Yeah, so it just wasn't worth it. So we went and got the nearest match, which is the S&H Colonial Red.
Oh, nice.
Which are a good match.
Styles and Hearts always make a great brick.
Yeah, so yeah, you're never going to go wrong with them, and they match everything because they're so old.
I wonder if this chimney was originally built with Styles and Hearts.
Probably a very good chance of it.
They're right down the street.
In this area, everything was built out of those bricks.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're moving along, just trying to get all this lead replaced.
Yep.
Just get it a little watertight for your before your roofers come in here.
Yeah.
So a couple of days we'll have this wrapped up. And
no, it looks great.
Come in then and do all their...
What's the rest of the process here, James? You just have to keep building the coursing.
Exactly, yeah. And as I come around, then I just start stepping the flashing until I get one full coursing. Then it's time to wrap it up then.
And this is just a standard mortar that goes in between, right?
Yeah. This is just a regular mortar, nothing fancy.
No, this chimney is such a nice focal point on the front of this roof that to put it back,
to the original,
it's just going to make this whole building pop.
Oh yeah, especially the front of the building looks so nice, and you've got such a unique roof here. It's nice. It's a good position of the chimney. A nice size. Yeah. Right in the center there.
Well, I'm glad we have this nice weather, and I'm so happy you're able to be here and getting it done.
But everything's moving along. I have no concerns. We should be finished out of here in the next couple of days.
That's great.
Well, do their work.
We'll be back to take some pictures and video as soon as this is done. We're back again at Rock Village. Another bright, sunny day. James, our mason, has finished the chimney, and Justin is here from Shepley's. Shepley's is one of our full-service providers when it comes to material. All of our lumber, much of the stock that we need for our jobs, they deliver right to the site. They're great to deal with. I can't recommend them enough. But today, Justin is here, and he has all of our windows. We're putting Anderson windows, True Divides, in this property. Gives us that historic look and feel. We got these here just in time. Our roofers are gonna be here tomorrow to start doing the roof. We'll have the windows inside staged and ready to go. And then once the roof is on, we can start putting in all the windows. But right now, we got a ton of windows that we have to unload. I think there's about $40,000 worth of windows sitting here right now. So Justin's gonna get his equipment ready and start unloading them, and the guys are gonna put them all inside, and we'll get them staged and ready to go. So we're in the second floor of Rock Village. The trickiest thing in any construction project is managing the schedule. Luckily, we have sun. It's been raining continuously here in Massachusetts, but we had a window of opportunity where we were able to get the mason here for the chimney, get the windows delivered, and the roofers are about to start tomorrow. Very exciting for us because that means Eric can be here to cut in the skylights and hand them up to the roofers for install. Right, Eric?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
As soon as I get staged out here, get a little close, I'll zip this out, pass it up, and then it's just a matter of getting it centered in the hole, get a nice even reveal all around. They'll tack it in, flash it, tape it, and we're good to go.
Exactly. So it's important to try to coordinate it all together. Unfortunately, I think this one's going to work out really well.